Cracked skin crisis? Eucerin Lotion brings 48-hour hydration magic. Flake-Free feels ahead. Are you battling desert dry skin that drinks up moisture and still cries out for more? Stop the madness and meet your skin's new best friend, Eucerin Advanced Repair Body Lotion. Packed with dermatologist-approved ceramides and natural moisturizing factors, this lightweight yet powerhouse formula doesn't just hydrate, it repairs dryness at its core. With 48-hour moisture-locking magic, you'll wonder if you've finally found the holy grail of hydration. Say goodbye to flaky skin drama and hello to smooth, touchable softness that lasts. Ready to ditch dryness? Your skin's glow-up starts now. Ever tried lotions that promise the world but leave you greasy, sticky, or worse, still dry? We've been there. That's why Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion is a game-changer. Its fast-absorbing, non-greasy formula feels like silk on your skin, no slime, no mess, just pure hydration bliss. Enriched with Ceramide-3, it strengthens your skin's moisture barrier, locking hydration in and keeping dryness out. Whether it's cracked elbows, rough knees, or thirsty feet, this lotion works overtime so you don't have to. Hydrated skin? Checked. Zero regrets? Guaranteed. Wondering if premium skincare has to cost an arm and a leg? Think again. Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion delivers luxury-level results at a price that won't make your wallet cry. Dermatologist-approved and free from parabens, dyes, and fragrances, it's perfect for even the most sensitive skin. Why waste time juggling multiple products when one bottle does it all? From daily hydration therapy to deep skin repair, this lotion is the MVP of multitasking. Affordable, reliable, and loved by millions, this is skincare that works hard, so you can relax. Imagine this. Skin so soft, so smooth, and so hydrated, people ask your secret. Spoiler alert, it's Eucerin Advanced Repair. Backed by science and trusted by dermatologists, it's the hydration hero your skin has been waiting for. Its convenient pump bottle means mess-free application, whether you're tackling dry patches after the shower or prepping for date night. No more cracks, flakes, or rough spots, just silky softness and 48-hour moisture that won't quit. When quality meets convenience, you win. And so does your skin. Ready to put your dry skin woes to bed? Meet your new hydration obsession, Eucerin Advanced Repair Lotion. With dermatologist-backed ingredients, 48-hour hydration, and zero greasiness, this lotion is more than skincare, it's self-care with superpowers. Cracked heels, flaky arms, and thirsty legs don't stand a chance. Affordable, effective, and designed to last, it's time to treat your skin like royalty. Don't just moisturize, transform. Add this miracle in a bottle to your routine and watch your skin thank you.